Hello everyone. Today we'll go for the same labor variance problem. Here they have given the information in a statement wise, that is standard wages rate is rupees 2 per hour and standard time is 10 hours, but actual wages rate is rupees 2.25 per hour and hours used are 12 hours. Calculate labor cost variance. So they have given you the standard wage rate, that is with the standard rate is rupees 2 and the time taken is 10 hours. So standard time what they have analyzed is 10 hours. But the actual wages rate which they have paid is 2.25 rupees per hour and the time taken for doing the work is they have taken 12 hours. So actual time equals to 12 hours, actual rate equals to 2.25. Write out with the formula of LCV ST, that is standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate. So 10 into 2 minus 12 into 2.25. You will get 20 rupees minus 27 rupees. So 20 minus 27, 7, which will be an adverse because we have got the negative value because the standard rate is more than the actual rate. Now we will go through the rate variance, labor rate variance. So when it is with the rate, the standard rate minus with the actual rate into the actual time. Don't make any mistake while writing the formula because as I said, how to simplify with the formula. Standard rate into the actual rate divided into with the actual time. So rate is standard rate is 2 minus 2.25 into the actual time taken is 12. So it is 3. So here also it is an adverse because the payment what they have made for the employers is more than the standard one. So here it will be an adverse answer. Now we'll go through the efficiency variance. So efficiency says about with the time, standard time minus with the actual time taken and we're into with the standard rate. So 10 minus 12 into 2, it is with a 4. Here also it will be an adverse because the standard time what it is 10 they have analyzed, but actual it is with a 12 timer they have taken and the rate is with a 2. So it is an adverse. To verify with your answer, you have to write out with this formula, that is LCV minus equals to LRV plus with the LEV. So 3 plus 4 which is with a 7. So we have got LCV as 7 which is an adverse. Here also we have got with a 7 which is an adverse. We shall go for the next problem which is with the standard calculation of the labor cost variance. This problem is a little bit different from the previous problems what we have done. What the information what they have given is, here they have given you the standard production. Here they analyze that the standard production can be with 100 units and the hours for producing 100 units is 500 hours and the wages what they are going to pay is 2 rupees per hour. Actual production what they have made is 85 units which is lesser than with the standard one. Actual time taken is 450 hours which is lesser than the actual standard one. Wage rate paid is 2.10 rupees per hour. Here they have analyzed as a 2. Here they have paid more than that. So 2.10 per hour. Here we need to understand for what unit we are going to take the hours. Standard time for 1 unit they have not given. So we have to calculate firstly with them for what will be the standard time for producing 1 unit of the product. So total hours what there it is with the 500 hours divided by 100 units. So per unit to produce they have taken 5 hours. Now for the actual production we want standard hours taken for the actual production as they have said 100, but the actual production what they have made is only with the 85 units. So we need to find out for 85 units what will be your standard time taken to produce that unit. So standard hours for the actual production will be 85 units. We don't know what will be the actual hours taken to produce 85 units. To do that we need to see to this 100 for 100 units they have taken 500 hours. So for 85 units how many hours? So cross multiply 85 into 500 divided by 100, which will be 425 hours they have taken to produce 85 units. Or we have already done for 1 unit how many hours they have taken. So 85 into 5, it is 425 hours. Either you can do this one, either you can do this one. So hours taken to produce 85 units is 425 hours. Now we have got with the time taken for the actual production, which is 425. So we'll do with the solution of LCV. Standard time taken for the actual production into the standard rate minus with the actual time into actual rate. So 425 into 2 rupees, the standard rate. The actual time taken is 450 into 2.10. You can see out with the problem over here. So actual time taken is 450 and with the actual wage rate paid is 2.10 per hour. 425 into 2, it is 850. 450 into 2.10, it is 945. So you'll get an 95 rupees, which is an adverse amount. Go through the labor rate variance. So standard rate minus with the actual rate into the actual time. 2 minus 2.10 into 450, it will be rupees 45, which will be adverse because the standard rate what they have paid is more than the standard rate, which is with the 2.10. The actual rate what they paid is 210. Now efficiency variance. Efficiency says with the time. So standard time minus with the actual time into with the standard rate. 425 minus with the 450 into 2, which will be 50 hours, which is again adverse because the standard time what it is, they have told 425. Within 425 hours they have to produce with the 85 units, but the time taken for producing the actual production is 450. So it is in 50 hours of an additional time what they have taken to produce 85 units. So it is nothing but there will be some of the other reason where the length of time is there. Because of that they have taken an additional hours to produce 85 units. Now verification. LCV equals LRV plus LEV. We have got 95 rupees for the calculation, that is rupees 95, which is an adverse. So we have to get the same answer over here. So 45 is an adverse, 50 is also an adverse. So 45 plus with the 50, it is 95 adverse. Okay, we shall go for the other one problem. The standard time and the rate of producing unit of component A is given below. Standard hours per unit is 30 hours. See, it is producing 1 unit, they have taken 30 hours. The standard rate is 8 rupees per hour. Actual data along with the related information are as follows. So actual production what they have made is 1000 units, and the actual hours which has been taken to produce 1000 units is 30,600 hours, and the actual rate is 7.80 per hour. So here what they have told is they have produced 1000 units. Here they did not give any standard of production. Okay, so here they have given with the actual production, which is of 1000 units. For per unit, the standard hours per unit is 30 hours. Here they have not given you the actual hours per unit. So we need to calculate with this one. Solution. Standard hours for the actual production is not given, so we need to find out with that one. For 1 unit they have taken 30 hours. For producing per unit they have taken 30. So for 1000 units, how much it is? So cross multiply 1000 into 30, which will be 30,000 hours what they have taken to produce 1000 units. Now we have got that the standard production of 1000 units, the hours taken is 30. The standard hours taken is 30 hours, 30,000 hours. So we'll calculate with the LCV. Standard time into with the standard rate minus with the actual time into the actual rate. 30,000 into 8 rupees per hour they have paid. Then 30,600 into 7.80 with the actual one. So you'll get 2,40,000 minus 2,38,680. So after that you'll get with a favorable one. because the standard one is more, the actual what they have done is with a lesser one, so it is a favorable one. So amount will be 1320, which is with a favorable answer. We'll calculate with the rate variance SR, that is standard rate minus with the actual rate into the actual time. 8 minus 7.80 into 30,600, it will be 0.2 into 30,600, which will be rupees 6,120, which is again favorable because the standard rate is more compared to the actual rate paid, so it will be the favorable one. Now with the efficiency says with the time, so standard time minus with the actual time into the standard rate. 30,000 is the time taken, minus with the 30,600 the actual time taken, into 8, which will be minus 600 into 8, 4,800. It is here, it is an adverse because the standard time is 30, but they have taken additional time to produce the 1000 units, so it is more is 600, so it will be an adverse one. Now we'll verify the labor cost variance, LRB plus with LEV, which is 6,120, which is favorable one, plus 4,800, which is an adverse. So this minus this, which will be with the 1,320, which is with the favorable one rupees. Yeah. Thank you.